Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video, we're going to be heading down to my favorite bargain plant store, B&M. I've heard a rumor that the local store has had its first real shipment of plants in for 2026, and with the slightly warmer weather after the big freeze, I've certainly got that buying itch and already making plans for spring. So what we'll do is make the short drive into town and see what's there. Now I live in quite a rural area, and this is the little country road that I often travel to get into town, which is quite typical for English roads. If you haven't seen these before, come across this. It's only around about sort of 10 minutes to the local shop, and we're finally here. And you can see now, certainly yesterday I do have an order in, quite pleased to see. We've got some of the hellebores here, coming in at just £15, and this is your early rose. You can see a slightly more kind of pinkier, purpley variety. You can see lots of kind of shrubs and evergreens here. We've got the eucomis in, coming at just £4. A couple different varieties, as you can see, eucomis gold. Moving down here, you can see a few varieties of budula, which is quite different from before. We got pink delight, a few other ones there. Moving down, we've got the mini rhododendrons back in, again £4. I think great bargain for these little evergreen plants, fantastic. So our color pops in the garden. We'd also have the Fatsia spider's web coming in at £8.50. Decent sized plants on these, as you can see, and they look quite healthy, so really good sort of buys there. You can also see here we've got the ferns back in. Now most of these appear to be Diropterus ferns. We've got 3 for £10 or £4 each, which again, lovely little ferns. These should be evergreen in your garden as well, once again providing that kind of nice evergreen backbone. See the heart's tongue fern there as well, do quite like those. Just coming up here, you can see we do have some of the sort of hydrangea varieties, other things like that. And now one of the Akubas. Nice to see these back in, only at £4 or 3 for £10. Again, lovely sort of colors and variegation on those. We've got the standard Fatsia japonica down here, our castor oil plant. You can see again, once again, we've got £4 a piece there. Really can't go wrong with those. And these should be able to go in the ground now. You know, unless we really get a really horrible freeze, it really shouldn't be too much of an issue. You can just see here some of the other plants. The heucheras in as well. Got those coming in at just £5. Again, lovely zings of color you can get from these. Here we do have the angel's wings. Now, this one, I'd love for the kind of contrast that you get with these. Great to kind of pair with the evergreens. Got some of the heathers back in, and a few of the other kind of flowering shrubs as well. Of course, you've got all the large kind of planters and pots if you are looking to kind of start some new beds for the spring. Coming down here, we do have what appears to be the Eucomis Himalaya with that beautiful white kind of foliage on top. Lovely kind of contrast. Great little plant there. Next here we have the hellebores, again coming in at just £5. Again being perennial, these are more the winter flowering type varieties. I've got a couple in the garden already, and great little plants. Again, you can see a few other different varieties here. That's hellebores with the Erixpathii. I probably said that wrong, but you can see kind of different variations on that as well. Just coming around this way, we've got some more hellebores in, some of the different varieties. Once again, the £15 ones here. Some lovely sized plants and some, beautiful foliage and flowers on those already. Looking down this way, we do have some of the standard summer bedding in. So you got your packs of pansies. Again, coming in at just £3.50 for quite a large pack there. If you haven't seen my previous video about how you can use these to find frost pockets, certainly check that out. Got a few of the other kind of summer bulbs coming up, a lot of the spring bulbs and things like that. Once again, just kind of getting that early flowers and plants in, but it is nice to see that we've got an order in. The first one of the year for us to kind of check out. Some couple little coronations here, quite cheap. But yeah, with that said, I was, hoping that we may see some tropicals, but it is quite early in the year. Now, I did end up actually coming back in here after I filmed this to pick up a plant, which I'll just show you now. Now, this is one of your ferns. It's an interesting one. I've not seen it in there. New for the collection. You can see great foliage on that. Slightly different to some of my other ferns. Now, this fern here is called your Dudia. Such a fantastic name on that one. I'll just put a image on screen of kind of what these can look like. Now, these should be hardy down to around -5. Originally from New Zealand, I believe. Now, once again, should stay evergreen. I think it will do well in our kind of jungle area back here with the rest of the tree ferns. You can see the Diropterus fern now in front of us that has flopped over for the year. Quite typical of these though, absolutely ground hardy, no problem at all. I will get that one planted in at some point soon. I've got a couple other plants to add. I've got a couple new ones coming very soon, which you'll be very interested about. Certainly check that out when they do arrive. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, certainly feel free to do so. They'll be in the comment section below. Got quite a few new videos and content coming out from everybody. Of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. We've got a lot of content coming out soon. Of course, now we've got the first order of B&M in. We will be looking to kind of give you updates every other week as new orders do come in. Fingers crossed we will see some fantastic new tropical plants in this year. You may remember from last year we had things like the waggy, we had the yucca rostratas come in, and a few other interesting plants which we hadn't seen before. So fingers crossed for this year we may see some plants that we have not seen or come across yet. But yeah, with that said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.